When Gwendolyn Brooks's name was added to the roll call of Americans who have won the Pulitzer Prize in 1950, she became the first African American to receive the award. Her sharp, innovative style of poetry and personal perspective would change American verse. Born in Topeka, Kansas in 1917, Brooks's family moved to Chicago, along with millions of other Black Americans, as part of what is known as the Great Migration. And it was there where she first discovered the joys of reading and writing poems from an early age. At 13, she published her first poem in the then-popular magazine, American Childhood, and spent her late teens regularly contributing to the poetry column of the Black newspaper, the Chicago Defender. Her vivid portrayals of inner-city life received glowing reviews from Black literary heavyweights James Weldon Johnson and Langston Hughes, a fellow Chicago South Side resident who became her mentor. In 1945, during the Chicago Black Renaissance, she published her first collection, A Street in Bronzeville, a striking depiction of everyday life in a racially segregated community. The follow-up, Annie Allen, is a book of poems on the experiences of a young Black girl growing into adulthood. Interweaving traditional poetic techniques with a new view of American life, it was recognized internationally for its emotional impact and won Brooks the Pulitzer Prize for poetry. In the years that followed, Brooks continued to write, but also to teach. After a gathering of young Black writers in 1967, her work began to change, and she shifted her focus to the richness of her African heritage. In the Mecca, a narrative poem published the following year, embraced street slang. Its unconventional structure explored life in an overcrowded tenement building and paid tribute to civil rights leader Malcolm X. Gwendolyn Brooks passed away in 2000 at the age of 83, and today is acknowledged as one of the most accomplished and innovative poets in U.S. history. Her work not only inspired a new generation of Black writers to take up the pen, it brought a new perspective to American literature. How does personal experience impact an author's work?